Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalima. See, this is 12th standard math, CBSE, chapter 7, exercise 7.5, 18th sum, integrate. Integrate x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 into dx. See, you can take this term, see the power of the degree of the numerator 4. The same as it is the degree of the denominator is also what? 4. See here, you can take it as I equal to x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 into dx. You can take it as x square equal to t. X square equal to t. Take this value alone. T plus 1 into t plus 2 by t plus 3 into t plus 4. T plus 3 into t plus 4. Both numerator and denominator having the same power, same degree. So you can multiply the value. See here, t square plus 1t plus 2t plus 2. T square plus 1t plus 2t plus 2 by t square plus 3t plus 4t plus 12. So it gives, see here, t square plus 3t plus 2 by t square plus 7t plus 12. See here, both numerator and denominator you have a same degree. So you can divide and get the partial value. See here, divide t square plus 3t plus 2. T square plus 3t plus 2. T square plus 7t plus 12. 70 plus 12. First term by first term. First term by first term. When we cancel, what is the answer? 1. 1 into t square. 1 into 70. 1 into 12. Change the sign. Minus. Cancel. Minus 4t minus 10. Minus 4t minus 10. This is what? Quotient, remainder, denominator. So how you can write? Quotient plus remainder by denominator. So it gives 1 minus 4t plus 10. Minus I can take it as commonly out. Minus 4t plus 10 by t square plus 70 plus 12. T square plus 70 plus 12. See, you can take this value alone. 4t plus 10 by t square plus 70 plus 12. Do it in a factorization. So how you can get t plus 3 into t plus 4. Sum equal to 7, product equal to 12. So 7, 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 is 7. Do it in a product, or otherwise you can see in the sum itself. Okay, it is given in the question itself. Now see the power. The degree of the numerator is 1, degree of the denominator is 2. Now you can able to the partial fraction. You can split the term a by t plus 3 plus b by t plus 4. Do the cross multiplication. 4t plus 10 by t plus 3 into t plus 4 equal to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 3. b into t plus 3 by t plus 3 into t plus 3 into t plus 4. Cancel the value. See here, 4t plus 10. 4t plus 10 equal to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 3. Put t equal to minus 4. Put t equal to minus 4. So 4 into minus 4 plus 10 equal to a into minus 4 plus 4, this term becomes 0. A into 0, 0 plus b into minus 4 plus 3. So minus 16 plus 10 equal to a into 0, 0, b into minus 1. Minus 6 equal to minus b. What is the value of b? What is the value of b? b equal to 6. b equal to 6. Put t equal to minus 3. Put t equal to minus 3. 4 into minus 3 plus 10 equal to 4 into minus 3 plus 10 equal to a into minus 3 plus 4. a into minus 3 plus 4 plus b into minus 3 plus 3. So minus 12 plus 10. Minus 12 plus 10 equal to a into 1. a into 1 plus b into 0. So minus 2 equal to a. What is the value of a? a equal to minus 2 and b equal to 6. Substitute in this equation. See here, 1 plus 2 by t plus 4 by t plus 3 into t plus 4, t plus 3 into t plus 4, plus into minus, minus 6 into t plus 3 by t plus 3 by t plus 3 into t plus 4, t plus 3 into t plus 4, t plus 4, t plus 4 get cancelled. Here t plus 3 get cancelled. See, I equal to, you can take it as I equal to, the given sum can be written in the form of I equal to integral 1 plus 2 by t plus 3 minus 6 by t plus 4 into dx. What we assign for t? T equal to x square. We assigned t equal to x square. So I equal to integral 1 plus 2 by x square plus 3. 2 by x square plus 3 minus 6 by x square plus 4 into dx. Now we separate the value. See, it gives integral dx plus 2 is constant, you can take it out, integral 1 by x square plus root 3 the whole square into dx. X square plus root 3 the whole square into dx minus 6 into integral 1 by x square plus 2 square. X square plus 2 square into dx. X square plus 2 square into dx. See, I equal to x, integral dx is nothing but x plus 2 into integral 1 by x square plus root 3 the whole square into dx minus 6 into 1 by x square plus 2 square into dx. What is the formula for 1 by x square plus a square into dx? What is the integration formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. It gives I equal to x plus 2 into 1 by a. 1 by root 3. 1 by a, 1 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by a, x by root 3. tan inverse of x by a, x by root 3 minus 6 into 1 by a, 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a, x by 2 plus c. You cancel the value. What is the final value? I equal to x plus 2 by root 3, x plus 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by root 3, tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c, tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Yeah, see here 19th sum, you can take it as I equal to integral 2x by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 into dx. You can assign x square equal to t. You can take it as x square equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x equal to dt by dx. 2x equal to dt by dx, but 2x dx is there, so you can bring dx here. So 2x into dx equal to dt. 2x into dx equal to dt. So the sum can be written in a form of I equal to 2x dx is dt by t plus 1 into t plus 3, t plus 1 into t plus 3. Now we can do it in a partial fraction. You can take the value 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3, 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 equal to a by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 3. A by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 3, cross multiplication, 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 equal to a into t plus 3 plus b into a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3. T plus 1 into t plus 3, t plus 1, t plus 3 get cancelled. What is the final value? 1 equal to a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1 plus b into t plus 1. See, put t equal to minus 3. T equal to minus 3, 1 equal to a into 0, because minus 3 plus 3 is 0, plus b into minus 3 plus 1, 1 equal to b into minus 2, 1 equal to b into minus 2, b equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to minus 1 by 2. You can take it as put t equal to minus 1, t equal to minus 1, 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 3 plus b into 0, minus 1 plus 3, here minus 1 plus 1 become 0, 1 equal to a into 2, so a equal to 1 by 2. The given equation can be, write it in a form of, see here, 1 equal to, what is the value of a? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into t plus 3. What is the value of b? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 into t plus 1. What is the value of I? I equal to integral 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3. T plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. Therefore, I equal to integral 1 can be written in a form of 1 by 2 into t plus 3 minus 1 by 2 into t plus 1 minus 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. T plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. See, 1 by 2 you can take it as commonly out. Integral t plus 3 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. T plus 3 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt minus integral t plus 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. T plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt. T plus 3 cancel. T plus 1 cancel. T plus 3 cancel. T plus 1 cancel. What is the value? See here, I equal to 1 by 2 into integral 1 by t plus 1 into dt minus integral 1 by t plus 3 into dt. T plus 3 into dt. So it gives 1 by 2 into, what is the differentiation of t? 1. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So log of modulus of t plus 1. Log of modulus of t plus 1 minus the same way, see here, differentiation of t is 1 and differentiation of 3 is 0. So log of modulus of t plus 3 plus c. So it gives 1 by 2 into log m minus log n. What is the formula for log m minus log n? Log of modulus of m by n. 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t plus 1 by t plus 3 plus c. T plus 1 by t plus 3 plus c. What is the value of t? T is nothing but what? X square. You replace that value. 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square plus 1 by x square plus 3. X square plus 1 by x square plus 3 plus c. See the 20th sum. Integral 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1 into dx. You can take it as I equal to 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1 into dx. Multiply, because x power 4 is there. So multiply and divide by x cube. Multiply and divide by x cube. So what is the value we are getting in I? 1 by x cube into x cube dx by x into x power 4 minus 1. X into x power 4 minus 1. See here, I equal to integral x cube dx by x cube into x become x power 4. X power 4 into x power 4 minus 1. X power 4 minus 1. Let us take it as x power 4 equal to t. X power 4 equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. So x power 4 become 4x cube. X power 4 become 4x cube equal to dt by dx. 4x cube into dx equal to dt. 4x cube into dx equal to dt. X cube into dx equal to 1 by 4 dt. X cube into dx equal to 1 by 4 dt. So I equal to integral x cube dx is nothing but what? 1 by 4 dt by x power 4 t into t minus 1. X power 4 is t into t minus 1. See here, I equal to 1 by 4 into, I equal to 1 by 4 into dt by t into t minus 1. You can do it in a partial fraction. You can do it in a partial fraction. T into t minus 1 equal to, what is the way? T by a by t plus b by t minus 1. Then we can do the cross multiplication. Then you can take it as here t and t minus 1 as the LCM. So 1 by t into t minus 1 equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t. A into t minus 1 plus b into t by t into t minus 1. T into t minus 1 get cancelled. What is the value? 1 equal to a into t minus 1. A into t minus 1 plus b into t plus b into t. So 1 equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t. Put t equal to 1. Put t equal to 1. This term become 0. This term becomes 0. 1 equal to b into 1. What is the value of b? 1. Next, put t equal to 0. T equal to 0. Put t equal to 1. 1 minus 1 become 0. Put t equal to 0. 1 equal to a into 0 minus 1 plus b into 0. B into 0. So b into 0. Any number multiplied by 0, you are getting the value 0. 1 equal to a into minus 1. What is the value of a? A value is equal to minus 1. See here, I equal to 1 by 4 into, I equal to 1 by 4 into integral. 1 by 4 into integral. That 1 you can replace by what? Minus of t minus 1 plus t. We already found the value by partial fraction. So minus of t minus 1 by t into t minus 1 into dt plus integral t by t into t minus 1 into dt. T cancel, t minus 1 cancel. So what is the value of I? I equal to 1 by 4 into, I equal to 1 by 4 into integral minus, you can take it out, 1 by t into dt. 1 by t into dt plus integral 1 by t minus 1 into dt. 1 by t minus 1 into dt, it gives 1 by 4 into minus log of mod t plus log of, because differentiation of t is 1, log of modulus of t minus 1 plus c, log m minus log n equal to log m by n. It gives 1 by 4 into log of modulus of t minus 1 by t plus c, t minus 1 by t plus c. It gives 1 by 4 into log of modulus of, what is the value of t? We assigned x power 4 minus 1 by x power 4 plus c, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus c. See the 21st sum, you can take it as I equal to integral 1 by e power x minus 1 into dx. Multiply and divide by e power minus x. So I equal to integral e power minus x by e power minus x by e power minus x into e power x minus 1 into dx. e power minus x into e power x minus 1 into dx. See here, I equal to integral e power minus x into dx by e power minus x plus x. When we multiply e power x, if the bases are same, you can add the powers. Minus e power minus x. So, I equal to integral e power minus x dx by e power 0. e power 0 value is 1 minus e power minus x. I equal to integral e power minus x dx by 1 minus e power minus x. 1 minus e power minus x. Let us take it as 1 minus e power minus x equal to t by substitution method. Okay, differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. 1 become 0 minus e power minus x. What is the differentiation of e power x? e power x, what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1 into minus 1 equal to dt by dx. dt by dx. So, it gives dt by dx, minus into minus become plus e power x equal to e power minus x equal to dt by dx e power minus x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, I equal to integral e power minus x dx is nothing but what? dt by 1 minus e power minus x is t. So, integral dt by t is nothing but log of mod t plus c. Log of mod t plus c. You replace that value, log of modulus of t value. What is the t value? 1 minus e power minus x plus c. Log of 1 minus e power minus x plus c. See, I hope you understood, children. See here, to receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.